In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Convertkit. Convertkit is an email marketing software that allows you to set up automated email sequences for those who join your email list, and also develop landing pages and a host of other features that would be pertinent for your online business. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the website and select create new account. This is going to walk you through 3 simple steps which allows you to set up your account in Convertkit. So step 1 is migration. This is if you have any email lists or contacts from a previous email marketing software that you wish to transfer over into your Convertkit account. So if you don't have an email list to import, you just select no, I'm just starting out, and continue. The second step is audience size. Here you will select how large your email subscribers are, and this would be probably 1 to 1,000 like me if you're just starting out, and you click continue. The third step is create a type. So they will give you a broad selection of categories to choose from, and you just select the one that is most pertinent to you. In this case, for me, I signed up with Convertkit for my podcast that I have started a few months ago, and then you click continue. You could also tell based on the categories that Convertkit is quite content creator based. Not saying that they don't have features to integrate with more of a business centric focused route, but it doesn't mean that you can't use Convertkit if you're solely like an online business owner versus just a content creator. It just means that they are more geared towards people who are like YouTubers, bloggers, podcasters, influencers. In the settings, you can create custom domains for your landing pages. So Convertkit does allow you to set up landing pages, which are basically one-page websites that allow you to perform just one particular task. And for an email marketing software, that one particular task is more times than none collecting emails, right? Signing up for your email list. So Convertkit allows you to create landing pages. However, if you already have your own website, you can just create pages as part of your website and then embed a form onto that page that collects emails. So it's whichever one you want to do, but if you are going the Convertkit route and doing your landing pages directly through Convertkit, this is where you would want to create that custom domain for the landing page so that it does look like it came from off of your website and not just a string of numbers and letters that has Convertkit in it, because it will generate a URL off the back end of Convertkit, right? So that's where you do that. Of course, I'm not going to go through how you do that. If you want a tutorial on that, you can leave a comment under this video, but there is a step-by-step process on how to go through that, setting it up with your hosting provider. So in your settings on the email, what you will see is the free email address that you would have used to sign up to create your account in the first place. What do I mean by free email address? This just means an email that you would have made with, for example, Outlook, Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo, if people still have those, iCloud. All of those are free email addresses. That is what will show up here once you would have created your account with one of those. However, with an email marketing software like Convertkit, they will show you some sort of not really an error message, but more of like a warning message saying that you would want your emails that is reflective of your brand or your business using a professional email address. That is one that looks like your name or info at your website.com. Now, I made a video on how to sign up and get a professional email, and I will link it in the card above so you can check that out. So once you have an email address like that, that is what you're going to want to input and set as your default from email, so that any emails that you send through Convertkit in the future will come from that professional email address and not your Hotmail or Gmail account. Once you have selected or changed your from email address to this professional one, Convertkit will send you an email to this email address to confirm and verify that email address. So once you log in into your professional email address and you open up the email and select the button to click confirm, then it would be verify, and you can use this email address once sending out your email broadcast to your email list. Due to GDPR policy, you cannot have your emails being sent out without it having a physical mailing address at the bottom of each and every email. So if you have an online business that you operate out of your home and you don't want your home address out on the internet, then what you can do is use Convertkit's physical address to satisfy this GDPR policy. And that is what I chose to do because I am operating business out of my home. Like, I don't have some sort of office space that I'm renting out doing this. Okay, this is my bedroom, my wall, right? So you can get a creator plan from free to about $50 a month, and it kind of depends on what it is you want to do. So different tiers would give you different functionalities, but the lowest tier, which is like free, is going to be like almost no automation sequences that you can do. Basically, all you'll be able to do is have emails sent out to multiple people at the same time, which is called an email broadcast. But you can't set up any automation like welcome sequences or anything like that, right? Which is one of the main points of having an email marketing software. So Convertkit, in that sense, usually you have to pay to get the automations. But if you are fine with just being able to send out emails to your email list without having any sort of automatic emails being done or funnels being set up, then you can definitely just sign up for the free plan and stay on the free plan until you build up a significant amount of subscribers, after which you will have to pay, right? So I signed up for Convertkit because most of the people or content creators that I watch that recommend Convertkit is really usually for if you're doing something similar to them. So if you are an influencer, a content creator, a course creator, or you sell like digital products, like things like that, that is almost all digital, I would say, then Convertkit is a great option. I joined it for building the email list for my podcast, that I created a few months ago, and I wanted to have the email marketing software like automatically be linked to my RSS feed, so every time that a new podcast was released, an email will be sent out automatically, so like I don't have to think about it. And that was like the basis of that. And of course, whenever anyone signed up for my email list, I wanted to have like a welcome sequence. And if anything in the future happens, I definitely wouldn't mind building out other funnels to go along with that, but it really was for the automation. You can try Convertkit. There are free plans and there are also paid plans by checking out my link in the description down below. And if it is you want to find out how to create a professional email address, you can click on the video right here, and I'll see you over there.